Hello WB stars, this is head chef Brian Mark from Søllerød Kro. Now I'm gonna show you one of our vegetable dishes. It's celeriac and the black winter truffles or tubermelanospor. We are starting with shaping the celery. And then we cut it into small pieces. We are making it in a 2.0 salt, and then we are gonna dry it the night over, and then we're gonna rehydrate the celeriac in fermented sake, seaweed, white soy, and then we're gonna roll it with black truffles and heat it up in smoked bone marrow. I will dress it with some brown butter. And then we of course are making with the garnish of our black truffles. So incredible. Yeah, so this is the first one from Søllerød. Celeriac, katsuobushi, and black truffles, brown butter. Enjoy.